Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be addressing some of the most frequently asked questions about industrial lubricants. Whether you're new to handling them or looking to deepen your knowledge, this guide will provide clear answers to help you get the best performance and safety from your equipment. What are the main types of industrial lubricants? Industrial lubricants include oils, greases, solid lubricants like graphite, and synthetic lubricants. Each type serves different machinery needs depending on load, speed, and operating conditions. How do I choose the right lubricant for my equipment? Selection depends on factors such as temperature, pressure, speed, environment, wet, dusty, or corrosive, and manufacturer recommendations. The wrong lubricant can cause wear, overheating, or failure. Why are industrial lubricants so important? They reduce friction, prevent wear, protect against corrosion, and improve efficiency by ensuring machines operate smoothly, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Can one lubricant be used for all industrial applications? No. Each application requires a specific lubricant. For example, high-temperature machinery may need synthetic oils, while heavy-load equipment benefits more from greases. Using the wrong type reduces performance and damages equipment. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.